So if you see this phoneme, a phoneme is a sound. It's not a letter, it's actually a sound. I know you see the letter K there, don't you? But when you put those forward slashes, one on the left side and one on the right side of that K, that's no longer a K, it becomes a sound. Where have you heard this sound before?
Kitchen.
Kitchen, good. Where have you heard this sound before?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten, good. Look at that. Kitten. Look at that. Duck. Look at that. School. Now, sometimes the sound is written with the C, the letter C. Like, as in what word? Yes?
Cake.
Cake, as in what word?
Cat.
Cat, as in what word?
Chicken.
Well, not quite, Leilani, but we're gonna keep working on it. Here's what I want you to know. Sometimes the K sound is written with the C, sometimes it's not. Okay? Keep that in mind as we read. Now, let's go to another sound. I want you to know that this sound is ooh. Can you make that sound for me, please? Ooh. Can you think of a word that uses the ooh sound? Leilani?
Pool.
Pool. Matthew?
School.
Yeah, school. You got it. Look at that. But wait a minute. Ooh. What two letters together are making the ooh sound in moon? Jazzy?
O and O.
O and O. Ooh. But look at that. Truth. Do you hear the ooh sound in truth? How did we spell the ooh sound in moon? Matthew?
O.
O what?
2 O's.
2 O's. How do we spell the ooh sound in truth? Yes, go ahead, Matthew.
U.
U. And how do we spell the ooh sound in rule? Yes?
With a U and E.
Yeah. Why do you say a U and an E?
Because there's a consonant in the middle.
And every time you see a consonant in the middle of a U and an E, you make the ooh sound. You nailed it. Virtual high five. Ah! Okay.